Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm outside in my garden again, and I wanted to highlight another tree that I have growing in my container garden. And this tree is my all-time favorite tree. It's also my most expensive tree. This is the Barbados Cherry, or Acerola Cherry. I wasn't familiar with this growing up. I didn't find out about it until living here in Arizona just a couple years ago. So those of you here in the United States may or may not be familiar with it. Maybe those in Florida, other places like that might know about it. But it is an amazing tree. One of the reasons why I bought it is because it grows really well here in Arizona. It can withstand 120-degree heat in the full sun, and it's hardy up to like minus 20 degrees, something like that. Another really cool thing about it is it's very limber. So if it grows tall, you can grab the limbs and just pull them down to you and pick the fruit off. It also has two seasons throughout the year that it bears fruit, which is really cool. Not just one, but this is the big season in October, November, and it has a fair amount of fruit on it. I would have a lot more if it was planted in the ground. It doesn't bear as many when it's in a pot, but from time to time this thing is loaded with really colorful little flowers. Makes it really beautiful. And I don't have a lot of bees around here, so I have to hand pollinate it with a little brush, and that's another reason why I don't have as many. But it is a great little tree to have, especially here in Arizona. It's an interesting flavor. I don't think it's, even though it's called Acerola Cherry, I don't think it's actually part of the true cherry tree family. But what you do is you'll get it and pick it. I don't know if you can see this. When it's kind of like a darkish purple color. Normally I would wash these, but I'm just gonna eat into it right now and show you what it looks like. The taste is like a cross between like a little plum and a little cherry. And it has 3 pits in there, so it's kind of, you don't get a whole lot of flesh on this. You have to kind of suck around and eat around the pit, but it's worth it. The flavor is really nice. These are very, very high in vitamin C. And then there's other uses. If you go on WebMD and type in acerola, there's a bunch of other uses that have not been substantiated. People say that, used to treat scurvy because of the vitamin C. That's very likely. Others like cancer and some other things, it's not substantiated at all, but they're like rumored to help with that stuff. But anyway, it's my favorite tree here in my garden, and wanted to show you all about it. Once again, thank you for watching. I am Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.